The Idiya Nepal bunk bed is a functional French design bed that kids are bound to love. There's a handrail, a built-in ladder, an additional pull-out bed and 2 pull-out drawers. At the bottom there are 2 pull-out drawers on wheels that measure 86 wide by 74 deep by 10 centimetres high. The additional trundler bed is easy to pull out with 2 wheels at the back. It's a standard single mattress size with a 7 centimetre mattress clearance and is great for when your kids have friends over or you've got an extra guest.